Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Monday, November 17th. It's approximately 4:45 or quarter 5 in the AM on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia closed mainly to the downside with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange. And you'll notice that the Nikkei dropped dramatically by over 500 points. The reason for this is because Japan is now officially in a recession. They reported GDP yesterday evening, and it dropped dramatically down to 1.6%, which means that officially they are in a recession right now. Currently in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, as Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside, no doubt propelled by the news that Japan is now in recession. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading down. There is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds are also trading higher. In fact, the entire bond universe looks like it's ready to take off. And in terms of the indices are trading down. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. The metals in terms of gold is trading fractionally higher. Now, if we were to take a look at the economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. At 8:30 a.m. we have the Empire State Manufacturing Index. This is major. This is a proven market mover and something that we should be looking out for. At 9 a.m. In Europe, we have President Draghi, or Mario Draghi, speaking. Again, we have absolutely no idea what he says, but whenever he says something, he tends to move the markets in one way or another. So something to be mindful of if trading. At 9:15, we have capacity utilization, and we also have industrial production. Both out at 9:15 a.m. All this being said, our bias is to the downside today. And the reason why we're suggesting this is, if you were to take a look at the original rules of market correlation, U.S. dollar is trading down, or trading higher, if you will, excuse me, and treasuries are trading higher. This does not bode well for an upside day for the markets or the futures themselves. Hence, our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. If Empire State Manufacturing comes out extraordinarily positive and moves the market in an upward direction, of course this could change. However, currently our bias is to the downside. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.